the space. Look at the space, not the cars. Look at the space. Yes, the space is okay, isn't it? You were just staying in a little long.
Yeah.
What was going through your mind as you were keeping it tucked up?
I was thinking the gap was big enough to get past.
Okay. Try and move away and have a look rather than keeping it tucked and have a look, because moving away and having a look helps your judgment. And what else do you think it does for the oncoming cars, mate?
It helps me over when you think I'm coming through.
Well, yes, not think you're coming through, but they have an idea. Whereas if you keep it tucked in behind the bin wagon, they think you're doing what?
Waiting for it.
Exactly. And they'll use all the space. So sometimes an early position is really important to show everything around what's going on. Even the bin men around the bin wagon. Slow. No, it's okay, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you understand the only danger that we've had was cars moving forward through the junction there? Yeah? Okay, good job, nicely worked. So, do you get what I mean about the bin men as well? That if you do position early, they know that you're going to come round? Yeah? Okay, nice job, mate.